Alright, welcome back. We're not gonna learn about basic cube fingering, finger shortcuts. Alright, now I'm gonna teach you how to hold the cube such that you can turn it fast. Alright, fast. I'm not talking like this. Okay, that's not cool. That's not a cuber. Turn it this. Alright? Find it. With your left hand, put the thumb on the F face center. F face center. Put the middle finger, no, don't show it to anyone yet, on the back face center. Alright? Now rest your pinky and ring finger, just tapping on that. And then use the index finger to rest on this corner right here, on the back corner. Now the right hand, middle finger on the top right edge, and the thumb on the bottom right edge. So now it looks like this. Now put the index finger on the top FR corner, right here. Rest against your ring and your pinky. It's just somewhere anywhere here on the top finger, so that now you can do moves like this. See? Now that finger right here, the next finger all set. Alright, use the wrist to turn this. R, U, R, up. R, U, R, R, up. R, U, U, up. R, U, R, R, up. Alright, and you can use this index finger on the left hand to do UR. Right? R, U, R, up, U, R. And just kind of redoing that so it's back to normal. I guess it's time to start solving the Rubik's Cube. Stop vacuuming. Oh, I was gonna go vacuum. Dang it. Alright, when we return, you will learn to finally solve the cube. Wow. Thanks for watching. Try to cube.